Hi guys, it's Danti here, and I have given it a lot of thought and I am ready to come back to YouTube. I am in a much better place to return. Before I do want to catch you up because I've been gone for nearly 5 years now. And that's a lot that has happened. My last video, I think I was in pharmacy school. I actually graduated pharmacy school. I got engaged, I got married. We have a little one on the way. What you can expect from my channel now is not only the Miss Danti side, the hair and makeup. You can expect a few other health related things, my Dr. Danti hat, and then everything else in between with me being a new wife and a new mom. I am so excited to bring you guys along this journey. I'll be doing about 1 to 2 videos per week, which is what I can commit to. So if you want to keep up with me and know when I'm going to release a video, you'll have to subscribe to my channel and turn your notifications button on. And you'll also be able to follow me on Instagram, which I have never left Instagram platform. So my handle on Instagram is Miss Danti, and you can find me that way. Bye.